Hi, I'm John Paul with Mototech here in Mobile, Alabama. What we have here is the ALPH AMOTO triple tree headlift stand. We'll show you how to use it in a minute, but right now we're going to show you how to assemble this. What you're going to need is a number 6 Allen and a number 17 socket. Make sure all your pieces are separated and organized in the proper areas that they need to be. What we're going to do is we're going to take the U-shaped band. We're going to insert them into the wheel locking areas. You'll take your bolt from the inside out, washer, nut, and we'll tighten this side down, and you'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to take the triple tree stand. You'll see that you will have 2 locking arms with multiple adjustments. You want the neck to face toward the bike or away from the rear. You'll slide these in. As you can see, it adjusts either direction. You'll take your wheel bolts. You'll slide them through to their proper height that they need to be. You'll put the nut on, and you'll turn and snug, and that's all you need. Now let's take this to the bike. Before we install this on this bike, one side note, we do want you to make sure that you know which pin will fit your bike that needs to be installed inside the neck. For our 2012 ZX6R, ours is a number 15. So what we will do is we will slide this underneath. There is a stem hole for the triple tree that the stem pin will slide into and fit. We want to make sure that it is all the way in and flush. From that point on, the bike is already steadied with a ALPH AMOTO rear stand. We will take this, we will push down, and it locks it in place. Now we can remove the front wheel, we can remove the front forks, we can do all the other work that we need to do.